$20,000. Is that up next for Bitcoin? We just might be headed that way. In the past 3 videos, we've been talking about the price continuing to break down. And if you have been paying attention, then you saved yourself. But I don't think it's over yet. And we are live. What is good? May has been one of the most bullish months for crypto. And also, Bitcoin tends to have a lot of reversals in May. So let's talk about the possibilities in this video. And you know what? I haven't talked about XRP in a very long time. So I think I'm gonna add that as well and give you guys a little brief analysis. Let's get into it. And as always, thank you for everybody who's subscribed to the channel. And if you're not, make sure you are hitting that subscribe button as well as the like button, because as you can see in our playlist, we have so much crypto content. And we want to be the place where you get all your crypto content right here on YouTube. And as well, my Twitter, @RealJohnDoe, search that, follow that. Now let's have a look at the latest news for Bitcoin that's happened this past week. So it looks like Turkey is having a second wave of major crypto interest as Bitfinex, Coinbase, and KuCoin are ramping up in the country. As well, Goldman Sachs, they had their first Bitcoin-backed loan. This is really good to see for Bitcoin right here. As well, 1/5 of businesses in El Salvador now accept Bitcoin. And El Salvador was the first country to make Bitcoin as legal tender. But to add to that list, we just had this past week, Central African Republic is also adopting Bitcoin as legal tender. And a good thing here for Americans, it looks like Fidelity will reportedly be allowing people to use their retirement savings accounts to invest in Bitcoin. What did this do for the price of Bitcoin? Well, if we look right now on Currency.com, it shows 85% buyers, 15% sellers. And lately, yes, the price has been pushing downwards for Bitcoin. If we have a look right here, the past 7 days have not been too good, down about 2%. But let's have a closer look at the price action. Then we'll talk about XRP. So I'm looking at this chart, comparing it to last week. As you see right now, Bitcoin continues to push down. This is now how many weeks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks straight that Bitcoin continues to make lower prices. And pretty much this is a downtrend. And we're on the last level of support down here towards 36,000. And if this level does not hold, then you know what's coming next. If that breaks, then we're going down around 30,000. Then that's that final level, and 20,000. That $20,000 range comes right after that. Now, some key price levels to look at for support and resistance. Let's talk about resistance first. I'm going to show you towards the upside. We need to see Bitcoin make a close above $42,000. If that can happen, then the next level we have right here, which is about 46,000. And then after that, the third resistance is up towards $52,000. So Bitcoin right now, it is not even testing those resistance, and it is currently testing support levels. Now, the next support levels, like I just said, we have one currently at this level at about 37,500. If that breaks, then we have about 32,000 for Bitcoin. And then after that, we have these lows from last year to test. So right now, Bitcoin's still trading sideways in that mid-range, but we are currently testing a support level. So this is either a nice buy to dip opportunity for a bounce towards resistance, or since this support is getting tested once again, this may just get weaker and then break down. Now for the next week, if I'm looking for things to continue dropping down, the main thing I'm watching for is Bitcoin to come down towards $32,000. That is a pretty decent buy to dip opportunity for a bounce, because the RSI will also be oversold, and momentum will probably most likely test a resistance before breaking that $30,000 support level. Now, if you are looking towards a bounce to happen at this current level, then we need to see Bitcoin bounce happen right away here and a test of $42,000 and flip that into support. Now, if we take a look at XRP, XRP seems like it's at a pretty decent discount right now. The lawsuit is still not settled with the SEC, and I don't see that happening anytime soon here. And look at this. How many times do we test the lows now for XRP? So we're at a very critical point right now, as you can see in this price. This range here at about 60 cents has been the range now since late 2021. We had one test, two tests, the third time with a breakout, and then support tests those levels. So you can see this is a very important level, and almost just like Bitcoin, critical for things to hold. If they do not, then we will see XRP down towards that 30-cent range, which gives us another even better buy the dip opportunity. So for this next week for XRP, I'm not expecting it to make an insane run towards $1 or anything like that, but I'm looking for at least a test towards this range here, towards 75 cents. But for support, I'm looking at a test down towards 55 cents. And quickly to finish this off, it looks like there are a lot of bulls right now on Currency.com. It does show 94% buyers with 6% sellers for XRP. So maybe we just might get a bounce here right around the corner. We'll see what happens here on the weekly close, and I'll report back next time. You can be subscribed to the channel, watching these videos, but good luck with your trading. It's me, John, here with Currency.com, and I'll catch you again next time. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.